Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the jeweler's table in Windrose. Now the first thing that you are going to need for you to be able to upgrade your jeweler's table is check over to your discovery right now and make sure you have unlocked the current swamp region. You can unlock this once you've defeated the local threat over on the foothills area. The next few sequence of the main quest will then lead you to your very first cursed swamp region of the area, so you won't really have that much trouble trying to find your very first cursed swamp area on your map or on your world. Now once you've discovered the cursed swamp, the most important thing that you are going to need to have discovered is the ancient scraps. Through the ancient scrap, once you've collected these, you can then have the recipe or the blueprint for the jeweler's bench. This is pretty much another building element that you can place alongside your jeweler's table within the bonfire range to upgrade the table. And to make the jeweler's table, you are also going to need some mire metal ingots. If you check over to building mode right now, then press right and over to the jewelry category. You can make the jeweler's bench with 10 pieces of wood, 5 pieces of mire metal ingots, 3 pieces of silver ingot, and 1 piece of gold. If you check over to the description right there, it says jewelry table upgrade and works only within the bonfire range. Thankfully, it doesn't require a roof to be on top for this to be operational. Now you can make the mire metal ingots inside these large smelting furnaces, with the cost of 2 pieces of ancient scrap and 1 piece of quagmire powder. And I already got some smelting already, so I'm just going to collect that to get the rest of the materials to make the jeweler's bench. And here's the jewelry table over here, so I'm just going to place down the jeweler's bench somewhere close by, right over here. And this should have upgraded my jewelry table. And as you can see, there's a number 2 right alongside the name of the jeweler's table, meaning it's now level 2. And through upgrading the jewelry table, you can then upgrade rare rings or rare necklaces into their epic versions. And that's pretty much about it on how to upgrade the jewelry table in Windrose.